Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Comcast Xfinity for internet service, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Comcast Xfinity website. Locate the internet section on the homepage. Click on Shop Plans to view available internet service packages. Select the plan that fits your needs based on speed and pricing. Enter your address in the provided search bar to check service availability. Review the options available for your address. Once you find a suitable plan, click Start Order. You will be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. If you're creating a new account, enter your email address and choose a strong password. Fill in the required information, including your name and contact details. Continue to the next step, which involves selecting your equipment. Choose between renting a modem or purchasing your own. If renting, select the preferred equipment option and proceed. Review the total cost, including setup fees and equipment charges. Enter your payment information to complete the order. Confirm your order details before finalizing the registration. Once confirmed, you will receive an email with your order summary. Follow the instructions in the email to set up your internet service. Wait for the installation to be scheduled if professional installation is required. For self-installation, refer to the setup guide provided in your equipment package. Log into your account to manage your new service anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.